Hey, what's going on, folks? Welcome back to YesWeRentHouses.com, where you can make one of our houses your next home. Today, I want to give you a tour of this beautiful 2-bedroom condo that is up for lease. Folks, new flooring throughout, plenty of natural light, moldings throughout this beautiful unit, bright light fixtures. Take a look at this kitchen. New cabinets, dishwasher, stainless steel appliances, really nice countertops. This unit will not last long. Make sure you apply it today. Plenty of storage and closet space throughout. This is a bathroom. New ceramic tile, shower, tub, toilet. More storage space. There's another utility closet there. Folks, spacious bedroom. And last but not least, the last bedroom is the biggest bedroom. Plenty of natural light in this bedroom. Folks, this property is up for lease. Visit YesWeRentHouses.com to apply today.